Moko kuom MCAs ma Nairobi okone gidhi nyime kod choko sei mag githicho ko Gavana ma Nairobi Sakaja e apisi. MCAs go Ramoni onge ng'ama biro mino lwetgi mondo giwe chenro mar thiche oko. Gikwedo weche moko ne jomoko mantie kod dwaro mopondo ema temo chorogi mondo githich Gavana ok e apisi ka bende gitielo ni nyaka sani gisechoko sei maromo 60 kata kamano gigeto choko sei maromo 100 kapok gichako mar thicho Sakaja ok e apisi.
We have the charges ready, more than 20 charges, 20 substantive charges against the governor. We have enough signatures. We passed the threshold in the 5th minute of collection of signatures. We already had the minimum required 42. We want to ensure that we are not going to take the motion with 42. We are going to take the motion with 100 signatures. Of now, we demand that Arthur Johnson Sakaja exit as the governor of Nairobi, and he is taken care of through an impeachment process, which we have launched now, and we are going to ensure it is a members-only driven process. It is not influenced by any private person. It is not influenced by any contractor. It is not influenced by any leadership person in the leadership.
We are ready to take back the county in terms of ensuring that we have order and dignity among Nairobians. If time comes and Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga feels like he has something to say, of course, he will speak. But right now, let's not ride on any speculations. And same case applies to His Excellency, the President of this nation.
Migoma somo loro skund primar ma Seventh-day Adventist Narok banga yud kajupuonjre mara klasa uchiel nong'adi ng'ute hekanindo kapoko odhuro ringre cho mar skuno. Kapidho mo ilaro no ringre japuonjre ne osetere